Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm making Bohri style Haleem. For this here I've taken 2 cups of this broken wheat, 1 cup of barley and 1 cup of this Bengal gram. Now I will soak these 3 ingredients separately in sufficient water. Now I have added sufficient water in all these 3 ingredients, and now I will leave them to soak overnight. Now last night I have soaked these 3 ingredients: wheat, Bengal gram, and this is barley. Now I have to make a masala or curry, and for that here I have taken half cup of oil, and in this oil I'll add in 1 onion. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And now I will fry till onion is light golden in color. Now meanwhile this onion is frying, let me show you other ingredients. Here I have taken boneless beef, half kilo, 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon roasted and crushed cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, and salt to taste. Now onion is light golden in color, and now I will add in this meat. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ginger garlic. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And all the spices. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'll cook them well. Now I have stirred this meat with onion and spices and ginger and garlic paste for around 10 minutes, and now I will add in water. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Add in at least 8 to 10 cups of water, and now I will cook this cover till meat is very tender. It should, so that it could be mashed completely. Now here meat is cooking. Some of the water has been evaporated, but still I have to dry this one. And here I am cooking this Bengal gram separately till it is tender. And here in the other pan I am cooking wheat, and in this wheat I will add in this barley. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And now I will cook till this Bengal gram, wheat and barley are tender. Now here meat is tender and water has been evaporated. Now I will leave this to cool, and then I will shred the meat. Bengal gram is boiled, and here wheat and barley are boiled. Now I will mix Bengal gram in the wheat, and then I will blend them well. Now in this pan I have added 8 to 10 tablespoons of oil and 1 medium size of onion. Now I have to fry the onion till it turns light golden in color. Now meanwhile this onion is frying, I am blending the wheat mixture. I have added Bengal gram in this, and now I will beat them. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am using this electric beater, but if you want you can blend this in the blender also. Now here I have shredded the beef, and here I have blended the wheat and barley and Bengal gram mixture. Now I will add this meat, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, in this wheat mixture. And along with the meat, I will add in 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And I will add in some water, and then I will cook this again for half an hour. Now after 30 minutes I am removing the lid. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wow. And now at this stage I am adding in this fried onion along with the oil. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And this is done. I am turning off the flame. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, now here I have taken lemons, ginger, coriander leaves and mint leaves. I have to eat them just before serving. And here I have prepared my serving bowl. You can add all these ingredients in the pan also. This is totally new style of Haleem, because the regular Haleem which we make, it has all the pulses along with some rice. But in this Haleem I have added only Bengal gram, and barley is not used in this. I have used barley. So please do try this recipe. And lastly I have added chaat masala also. If you want, you can add chaat masala along with the garam masala, and then you can cook them together. But I have added only before serving, not in the pan. So this Bohri style Haleem is ready to be served. You can serve it with rice, roti, naan, tahtan, anything you like. I hope you like this video. See you soon in my next video, inshallah. Till then, fi amanullah, take care and Allah Hafiz.